not thunderstorm, this is fucking hail.
We're having a thunderstorm, and then all of a sudden hail comes.
Dude, it looks like snow outside.
Except for their perfectly circle balls.
Except it's raining rocks.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
It's actually perfect circle balls.
Let's go downstairs. Open the door.
Huh?
Open the door and record it. Let's go. You little rat.
Hey, look at this. Oh, look.
Dude, it looks like ice. Okay, open.
It is ice.
Oh, open the door. Oh my gosh. Open it. You didn't even open it.
It's like,
Open it.
open it. Are you trying crazy? Okay, you open it.
Where'd Dad go?
You open it. Hold up, me.
Ba đậu xe chưa?
Rồi, ra ra.
He's like running.
Look at your car.
My car!
It's so beautiful. Hey,
That's my
Dad.
car.
Wow. Isn't it beautiful? It's redecorated.
Poor car.
Nature.
How am I supposed to drive to school looking like that?
Wow. It looks like a natural nature car.
That's my car.
Dude, look at the window.
That's so sad. I have dents in my car.
Jesus.
Daddy said I had dents in my car.
No, I don't know what that is inside.
But he said I had dents in my car.
Yeah. See that?
I think it stopped.
Nope.
It stopped.
It's off like, wow, look at that.
Let's go outside, Jen.
I don't want to go outside.
Yeah.
I'm going outside.
Okay.